Hello students, my name is Professor Mohammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefits from this course, this book. As you know students, we have started exercise 6.5 from chapter 6 and we did question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and question number 5 part A, B and C. So first we have to do part D of question number 5 and then we will do some more questions from this exercise. So let's have a look part D. Part D is 5 to the power 2x minus 2 into 5 to the power x minus 3 is equals to 0. And the question is solve giving your answer correct to three significant figures. Solve means to find the value of the given variable. Here variable is x. So first we have to write the equation. This is 5 to x. So we have to write 5 and power x and 2. And we know that why we did this, because power to the power is always multiply. So 5 to the power x and x to the power 2 means x into 2 is 2x. So no difference. Minus 2 into 5 to the power x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now let y is equals to 5 to the power x. So put y where you see 5 to the power x. So this is 5 to the power x. This is y and becomes y square. Minus 2 into 5 to the power x is 2y. Minus 3 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation and can be solved by using middle term break method. 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Y square minus 3y plus 1y minus 3 is equals to 0. Take first two factors and last two factors. The common in first two is y. So answer is y minus 3. And common is 1 in other two. If there is no common, then we have to take 1. And if these two brackets are same, it means your factorization is 100% correct. Y minus 3, y plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y plus 1 is equals to 0. Then y is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 1. But this is not our final answer because we let that 5 to the power x is y. So we will comes again take y. Original value of y is 5 to the power x. So 5 to the power x is equals to 3. Taking log on both sides, it will be x log 5 is equals to 3 and then x is equals to log on both sides means log 3. So x is equals to log 3 upon log 5 by using calculator to find the value of log 3 upon log 5. The answer is 0.683. 0.683. The second value of y is equals to minus 1 and y is 3 to the power x as we let minus 1 taking log on both sides, x log 3 is equals to log of minus 1. As I told you in last lecture, log with minus sign is not admissible. or you can say math error. If you find log -1 from calculator, you will see math error. So the only answer of x is 0.683. This is acceptable. Okay, so this is part D of question number 5. Now after 5, we will start question number 6. This is question number 6. Use the substitution u is equals to 5 exponent x to solve equation 5 exponent 2x minus 2 into 5 exponent x plus 1 plus 21 is equals to 0. So same question just like question number 5. First write the question. 5 to the power 2x minus 2 into 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 21 is equals to 0. First convert this 5 to the power 2x is 5x2, because x into 2 again you will get 2x minus 2 into 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 1 plus 21 is equals to 0. Now as you know, we have to put u where we see 5 to the power x. This is the requirement. So this is u square minus 2, and 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 10u plus 21 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of u. Apply middle term break method. 21 1s are 21, 7 3s are 21, and 7 plus 3 10. So u square minus 7u minus 3u plus 21 is equals to 0. Taking first two and last two. U common, u minus 7 minus 3 common, u minus 7 is equals to 0. U minus 7, u minus 3 is equals to 0. U is equals to 7, u is equals to 3. What is u actually? U is 5 to the power x according to question. So replace u by 5 to the power x is equals to 7. Taking log on both sides, therefore it will be x is equals to log 7 upon log 5. Use calculator. The answer is, first answer is 1.21. 1.21. The second value is u is equals to 3. So u is 5 to the power x is equals to 3. Again taking log on both sides, it will be x is equals to log 3 upon log 5. As you know, student, in last lecture I will show you, I showed you uh, how to take log on both sides. This time I am taking directly log on both sides and divide. So two steps are skipped in this question, because I think and I hope you can fully understand. The second answer is 0.683. 0.683. So this is the first answer, this is the second answer. So two answer, 1.21 and 0.683. Now come to question number 7. This is question number 7. Solve giving your answer. Correct 2, 3 significant figures. So same question just like question number 5 and question number 6. Let's start part A. Part A is 2 power 2x plus 2 power x plus 1 minus 15 is equals to 0. So if we let, now I am doing directly and putting directly. Let y is equals to 2 power x. So it will become y square plus 2 power x into 2. It will become 2y minus 15 is equals to 0. If you have any problem, kindly see previous parts so that you can easily understand. 15 1 the 15, 5 3 the 15, 5 minus 3, 2. So y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. First two, last two. So taking y is common, y plus 5 minus 3 is common, y plus 5 is equals to 0. Y plus 5, y minus 3 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to minus 5 and y is equals to 3. So what is y actually? Y is 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x is equals to minus 5. Taking log on both sides, x is equals to log minus 5 upon log 2. This is not admissible because logarithm of negative sign is undefined. So it is non not admissible. Now taking y is equals to 3. What is y? 2 power x is equals to 3. Taking log on both sides, then x is equals to log 3 upon log 2. The answer is 1.58. So this is our final answer. Only one answer of this part. Move to part B. Part B is 6 to the power 2x minus 6 to the power x plus 1 plus 7 is equals to 0. Now let y is equals to 6 to the power x. So it will become y square and this will be 6y plus 7 is equals to 0. Now apply middle term break method. Y square minus 7y plus 1y. 7 was the 7, 7 minus 1 is minus 6. But factorization looks not possible because this is minus 7 plus 1. So sign will be different. Both brackets will be shown different signs. And other factors, no. So we will move to quadratic formula because for this middle term break method is not possible. Middle term break quadratic formula is y is equals to minus b. What is b? Coefficient of y minus 6 plus minus b square means minus 6 square minus 4ac square root upon 2a. A is 1. Then y is equals to 6 plus minus 6 square is 36. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28 upon 2 ones are 2. Then y is equals to 6 plus minus 36 minus 28, 8 upon 2. So one answer is y is equals to 6, one answer is y is equals to 6 plus root 8 upon 2, and one answer is y is equals to 6 minus root 8 upon 2. By using calculator, we will find both values directly. So two answers of y has arrived. Now, what is y actually? Y is 6 to the power x. So first y is 6 to the power x is equals to 4.41. Taking log on both sides, it will be x is equals to log 4.41 upon log 6. Calculate this value. The answer is 0.828. Second, y is equals to 1.58. So y is 6 to the power x is equals to 1.58. Taking log on both sides, it will be x is equals to log 1.58 upon log 6. So x is equals to 0.255. 0.255. So two answers, one is 0.828 and the second is 0.255. Hope you understand how to get two values of x. One is 0.828 and other is 0.255. Okay, move to part C. Part C is 3 to the power 2x minus 2 into 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 8 is equals to 0. So if you let y is equals to 3 to the power x, it will be y square minus 2 into y into 3 plus 8 is equals to 0. Y square minus 2 3s are 6y plus 8 is equals to 0. 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 plus 2 6. Military break method can apply. Y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equals to 0. First two factor and last two factor. Y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 4 is equals to 0. This implies that y minus 4 and y minus 2 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. What is y? 3 power x is equals to 4. Taking log on both sides, it will be x is equals to log 4 upon log 3. X is equals to answer is 1.26. First answer is 1.26. The second value of y is 2. So y actually 3 power x is equals to 2. Again taking log on both sides, it will be x is equals to log 2 upon log 3. So x is equals to 0.631. So two answers has arrived, 1.26 and 0.631 answer. Come to last part, part D. Part D is 4 to power 2x plus 1 is equals to 17, 4 to power x minus 15. First, write this equation, 4 to the power 2x dot 4 to the power 1. Here dot means multiply, is equals to 17 into 4 to the power x minus 15. Now write down 4 to the power x in terms of 4 to power x and power 2. Power to the power is always multiply. Therefore, x into 2 is again 2x is equals to 17 into 4 to the power x minus 15. Let y is equals to 4 to power x. So it will be y square, and y square into 4 is 4y square, is equals to 17 into 4 to the power x, 17y minus 15. Write the equation in standard form. 4y square, move this 17y, it will be minus 17, move this minus 15, it will be plus 15, is equals to 0. Make factor. 15 4 the 60, 23 the 60, 20 minus 3 17. 4y square minus 20y plus 3y plus 15 is equals to 0. First two factors, last two factors. Taking 4y, so it will be y minus 5, but sign will be different. So can we make other factors? What should be the other factors? 60, 15 for the 60, and 15 plus 4 19, and 12 fives are. So we have to make 12 fives are, and 12 plus 5 is 17. So 4y square minus 12y minus 5y plus 15 is equals to 0. Student, if sign in the brackets are different, then factorization is wrong. That's why I made other factors. Taking 4y is common, it will be y minus 3, minus 5 is common, it will be y minus 3. Now this time factorization is 100% correct, because in both the brackets sign is same, y minus 3, y minus 3. Now 4y minus 5 and y minus 3 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to 5 upon 4, and this implies that y is equals to 3. What is y actually? Y is 4 to the power x, is equals to 5 upon 14. Taking logarithm on both sides, so x is equals to log 5 upon 4 upon log 4. The answer is the answer is 0. I will check all steps again. I will check the answer in the book. Zero point 0.792 and 0.161. 0.161. My answer is not matching. Yes, this is 100% correct answer. 0.161. So actually my calculator mistake, not the mistake in the question. I will press wrong button. Now y is equals to 3. So actually y is 4 to the power x is equals to 3. So x is equals to log 3 upon log 4. So x is equals to, the answer is 0.792. So two values of x has arrived. One is 0.161 and the other is 0.792. So 100% correct answer, but the mistake was in the calculator, not in the question. Now move to question number 7. Sorry, question number 8. This is question number 8. Part A of question number 8 is 4 to the power x minus 3 into 2 power x minus 10 is equals to 0. The requirement is same. Solve giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. First we have to write this 4 to the power x is 2 to the power 2x, right? Minus 3 into 2 to the power x minus 10 is equals to 0, because 2 to the power 2 is 4. So we can write this 4 to the power x is 4 to the power x is 2 to the power 2x. Now let y is equals to 2 to the power x. So it will become y square minus 3y minus 10 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, middle term break method. Y square is y square minus 5y plus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. Taking y is common, y minus 5 plus 2 is common, y minus 5 is equals to 0. Y plus 2 and y minus 5 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to plus 5. What is y? Y is 2 to the power x minus 2 Taking log on both sides, x is equals to log minus 2 upon log 2. This is not admissible. Not admissible because logarithm not allowed negative sign. Now move to second value. Y is equals to 5. Y is 2 to the power x is equals to 5. Then x is equals to log 5 upon log 2. Use calculator. Answer is 2.32. So only one answer of part A, that is x is equals to 2.32. Move to part B. Part B is 16 to the power x plus 2, 4 to the power x minus 35 is equals to 0. 16 becomes 4 power 2x because 4 square is 16. 2 into 4 power x minus 35 is equals to 0. Let y is equals to 4 power x. It will be y square plus 2y minus 35 is equals to 0. 35 ones are 35, 7 fives are 35, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Taking y is common in first two, it will be y plus 7. Taking minus 5 in last two, it will be y plus 7. So 100% correct factorization. This implies that y plus 7 and y minus 5 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to minus 7 and y is equals to 5. Now taking log on both sides. Oh, sorry. Before we taking log on both sides, write the correct value of y. That is 4 power x is equals to minus 7. Now taking log on both sides. So x is equals to log minus 7 upon log 4. Again, this is not admissible because logarithm doesn't allow negative sign. So log minus 7 is not possible. You will get math error in your calculator. Now y is equals to 5. Y is 4 power x is equals to 5. Now x is equals to log 5 upon log 4. Therefore x is equals to 1.16 is correct answer. So just like part A, part B has also only one answer, that is x is equals to 1.16. Now move to part C. This is part C. 9 to the power x minus 2 into 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 8. First convert this 9 to the power x is 3 to the power 2x, because 3 to the 3 square is 9, minus 2, this is 3 to the power x. Convert 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1. Please keep in mind dot means multiply, and because when we have same basis the power should be added, so 3 to the power x into 3 again, 3 to the power x plus 1. Now let y is equals to 3 to the power x, so it will be y square minus 2 3 is 6, and 3 to the power 6 is y plus 8 is equals to 0. Middle term break method. 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 and 2 is 6, y square minus, taking y is common, y minus 4 minus 2 is common, y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now y minus 4 and y minus 2 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. Y is actually 3 to the power x is equals to 4. Then x is equals to, taking log on both sides, log 4 upon log 3. So x is equals to the answer is 1.26. 1.26. The second, y is equals to 2. Y actually was 3 to the power x is equals to 2. Taking log on both sides, x is equals to log 2 upon log 3. So x is equals to log 2 upon log 3 from calculator is 0.631. So two answers of x in this part C. One is 1.26 and the other is 0.631. Now move to last part of question number 8. Twenty-five to the power x plus 20 is equals to 12 into 5 to the power x. First write down 25 in 5 square, and this will be 2 into x, 2x plus 20 is equals to 12 into 5 to the power x. Let y is equals to 5 to the power 2x. So it will be y square plus 20 is equals to 12y. Now y square minus 12y plus 20 is equals to 0. Make factors 20. 10 2s are 20 and 10 plus 2 is 12. So y square minus 10y minus 2y plus 20 is equals to 0. Taking first two common y, it will be y minus 10, and last two minus 2, it will be y minus 10 is equals to 0. This implies that y minus 10, y minus 2 is equals to 0. This implies that y is equals to 10 and y is equals to 2. What is y? Y is 5 to the power x. Sorry, this is 5 to the power x, not 2x. So 5 to the power x is equals to 10, taking log on both sides. So log 10 divided by log 5 is 1.43. Similarly, y is equals to 2, y is 5 to the power x. Taking log on both sides. Answer is 0.431. So we have two answers of x. One is 1.43 and the other is 0.431. So this is question number 8. Now move to question number 9. Oh, challenge question. So are you going to accept the challenge? What about me? Yes, I am accepting this challenge. The challenge is question number 9, 3 to the power 2x plus 1 multiply by 5 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 27 to the power x into 5 to the power 2x. So first the question is find the value of 15 to the power x. Okay, 15 to the power x. So if we move this 3 to the power 2x plus 1 and 5 to the power x minus 1 on other side, The remaining is 1. And 27 to the power x into 5 to the power 2x upon 3 to the power 2x plus 1 into 5 to the power x minus 1. So 1 is equals to 27 becomes 3 to the power 3, and 3 into x 3x, and shift this denominator 3 to the power 2x plus 1 in above side, means to convert into numerator. So it will be 3 to the power minus 2x minus 1 into 5 to the power 2x, and move this 5 to the power x minus 1 on above side. It will be 5 to the power minus x plus 1. When we move, the sign should be change. So 1 is equals to, when the bases are same, then power should be added. 3 power 3x minus 2x minus 1 into 5 to the power 2x minus x plus 1. So 1 is equals to 3 to the power 3x minus 2x is x minus 1 into 5 to the power 2x minus x is x plus 1. Now 1 is equals to, we can write this 3 to the power x minus 1 is 3 to the power x into 3 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 1. So 1 is equals to 3 to the power x upon 3 into 5 to the power x into 5. This 3 is divide over here. This should multiply by 1 on other side 3. Similarly, this 5 is multiply over here. This should be divide on other side 3 upon 5. And this is 3 power x into 5 power x. 3 power 5, 3 upon 5 is equals to, if bases are same, if exponents are same, then you can multiply the bases, because 3 has x exponent and 5 also has x, so we can directly multiply, or first we can write 3 into 5 to the power x, then 3 upon 5 is equals to 3 5 the 15, 15 to the power x. So this is the answer of part A. This is part A. Question was, find the value of 15 to the power x. Now part B. Part B is find x. Very easy. Taking log on both sides, it will be 3 upon 5. This is part B. 3 upon 5 upon log 15 is equals to x. So by using calculator, we will find the value. Answer is minus 1.8189 minus 0.189, 0.189. This is the answer of part B, and this is the answer of part A. Now I will check both the answer in the book. So first answer is 0.6. You can see, you can see this 3.5. If you divide this 3.5, you will get 0.6. So the first answer is 0.6 and the second answer is minus 0.189 and our answer is minus 0.189. So 100% correct answer. So we have accepted challenge and we get success. Now we have done question number 9, question number 10 and sorry, we have done till question number 9. So two questions still remains. Kindly you should try to solve these two questions, otherwise in next class I will solve. So student, this is our today's class where we have almost finished exercise 6.5. So kindly do practice more and more and more in order to get good command in AdMass. So I request all of you, if you like my videos, my channel, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button. Share my videos to all your fellows, all your friends. So this is our today's class. Good luck for next lecture. Goodbye.